Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, of course. So in this video today, I'm going to be showing you guys the perfect wig for vacation. Like, this wig is glueless, it's perfect straight out of the box. So let's get right into it, okay? So this wig comes from Ririhair. As you can see, you get some goodies and also you get the wig. It is packaged very nicely with a net around it, okay? So this is what the inside of the wig look like. You guys see that elastic band, also the bleached knots. It does have combs in it. So now we're gonna go to cutting off the lace, and literally it's just the same way I do all of my wigs. I just try to cut as close as I can to make the hairline look more natural. So as you guys can see, you do get the versatility of parting this wig any way you would like. Those knots are perfectly bleached and they are not over bleached, okay? I think the knots look really good, and I think they blend with my particular skin tone, okay? So I'm just going in and flat ironing this wig to make it bone straight. Alright guys, so I'm just going in with some mousse. You guys know I love using mousse just because it gives the hair a softer feel other than like spritz or anything like that. So I'm just smoothing down the flyaways and just making the top flatter because that's the preferred look I like. As you guys can see, you can rock this wig without any baby hair, which is what I wanted you guys to see. I'm going to be styling it a bit different because you guys know I'm like a freaking baby hair fanatic. So I'm just going to be styling a little bit different, as you guys can see, but it could definitely be worn with no baby hair for the people who do not prefer baby hair, okay? Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am going to go ahead and apologize about the very short wig styling. I like to kind of demonstrate how easy it is to just style these wigs, okay? Everything is pretty much done for you. I'm just kind of bringing the hair to the front so you guys can see. So everything is pretty much done for you. You don't have to do a whole lot. Now I do have the specs on this paper, so let's get into that before I get to kind of rambling on. So this is Indian version hair. I do have 18 inches. It comes in a natural color, of course. It's 130% density. The cap construction is just a 4.5 part lace front wig, okay? So that's the parting space. Cap size is a medium. Lace color is light brown. The hairline is pre-plucked, of course, and it does have bleached knots throughout the frontal, and there is an elastic band. So let's go through some of these points that about the wig. So first of all, let me pull it all to the front, and y'all have to excuse that freeze. It's raining outside and I literally just had to go outside and do some things. So anywho, this is what the wig looks like. Alright, so let me try to put it all in a ponytail so y'all can kind of see. So this is what the wig looks like in a ponytail. Now 130% density, that is not a lot of density, especially for me. Okay, so this wig I feel it has a natural density, but like I said, definitely not enough density for me and my liking. However, there are people out there who would not mind it. It's just not enough density for me. It's not enough hair for me. Okay, I'm just used to making my own wigs and making them the density that I want them. Another thing is let's see, the medium cap size. The medium cap is like a 22 and a half. Okay, I would definitely recommend, before ordering from any company, please measure your head, okay, before ordering, so that you can make sure you get the right size. This wig is not big enough for me. You guys know that my head is between a 24 and a 25, and that's just because I have a lot of hair, okay? So if your head is between a 24 and a 25, please get a large cap, but do realize that with the larger caps, it is going to take longer for your wig to be ready, okay? It just takes a longer for their factory to make those wigs with a larger cap. All right, so that's the only thing about that little tip there. It does already come with bleached knots, so you don't have to worry about bleaching your knots or anything like that. This wig doesn't come with the fake scalp, all right, which is completely fine, okay, because I think this wig looks great, but it does come with the bleach knots, so you have to worry about that. And the knots are bleached very well, and they are not over bleached, okay? So yes, keep that in mind. And it does come with an elastic band. I'm just looking on the paper so I can, you know, knock everything up. So it does come with an elastic band in the back. I did show you guys that at the beginning of the video. This band is a very thick and sturdy band. It does have the little hooks on it like a bra strap, so you can choose which size you know, which size you want your wig to kind of fit, okay? So I did not put this wig down with any adhesive. Only thing it's holding on with is the elastic band, which that makes this wig considerably glueless, okay? So this wig is glueless. This is the perfect everyday type of wig, something that you can put on and go. You don't have to worry about taking it down with Got2b or with any, what is it called, glue, any like wig glue, anything like that, unless you just want to. This right now it's fitting so snug, I actually won't like just tack this down with any type of adhesive just because it's just so snug on my hair right now, okay? So yeah, this is the parting space, very deep, natural like parting. I really do think that the way that they bleached it, and it kind of looks like, I don't know, it may not be tinted, but it just looks like the color of my skin tone, and I'm just loving it. You absolutely do not have to add baby hair. As you guys can see in the first part of the video, I did not have any baby hair. The wig looks totally natural, but without it, I'm a baby hair fanatic, so I add baby hair to almost every single wig, but it is a personal preference because I know a lot of people don't like it. But anyways, guys, I would definitely say check out the company. For everything that they offer, I will say that they are pretty affordable for everything they offer. Like I said, some people may think differently, but guys, everything's done for you, from the elastic band to the bleaching of the knots. It is pre-plucked. You know, you could literally get the wig out of the box and wear it. As you guys can see, I barely did anything to my wig, you know, and I just put it on. So I would suggest consider trying them out. First time wig wearers, I feel like these type of wigs are just geared more towards you all, and also my ladies who just don't feel like doing a lot. On my normal weeks, Monday through Friday, I work a regular job, okay, a regular 8 to 5, and I need something that I don't have to always glue down. It's hot, I don't have time for all of that. I want something I can put on and go. I leave the house really early in the morning. I don't have time to be gluing a wig, gluing down a wig, you know, laying baby hair. I don't have time to do all that, okay? So I feel like these type of wigs I feel like these type of wigs become very convenient when it comes to that fact, because throughout the week I only grab glueless wigs. I don't have time to do the extra things. So anyways, that's just my 2 cents in case anyone asks for change. Okay, so anyways, just comments, concerns, please leave them down below. Let me know what you guys think of this wig. Would you consider purchasing this wig? Let me know what y'all think, and yeah, I'll see y'all next one.